Welcome back, colleagues. Now I'm going to take you through the process of adding a particular video into a particular section of your course. So let's say we wanted to add a video into this course under a particular section, which is Unit 1. You would then scroll down to Unit 1, and then you would click Add Activity. So if we click Add Activity, we can go to External Tool once again. Click on External Tool, say Video for Video 1, I suppose. Then you need to make sure that you select the OpenCast LTI test. Click on that, then we can save and display. Alright, so once you've saved it, you should see this screen. Click on Open Window. It will allow you to then go into the module. Now the video that you're looking for will be shown in the series once again. So I'm going to click. You can see that the videos I'm looking for the green tab. So I'm just going to go to Series. I'm going to select the green tab. And right here you can see what the videos I need. So now I need to add in this particular video. This is the Unit 2. So I'm going to select this video from the list. And I'm going to click here. So now this is going to open the video. You need to unfortunately press play to get the information that you need. I'm just going to pause it again so that it doesn't make sound. What we need to do now is right at the bottom here, you can see a couple of icons. You can select share, and this is what's important. This right over here. So you would then go ahead and copy that. Right click, copy, and then we're going to go back to the course, and we're going to go out of this page here. We will then go down to section 1 again, where we added that video in. You can see there's video 1, and I'm going to add in a resource. I'm going to call it page. So you can actually choose any of these things right here. Label, page, or URL. I'm going to select label. In the label, I'm going to go into the linking section, and then I'm going to paste in the code that we just copied. Let's say create. You will see that the video displays. What's important is that you also remember to remove that at the top there. Once that is done, you will see that the video is in, and you can say save and return. Now, as we did in the previous step, we can go ahead and we can hide the external tool, hide that from students, and now when you come into when you switch editing off and the student comes into the course and they scroll down to Unit 1, they open it up, they will then continue down in the section until they find the video which is embedded, and they press play and they can start watching the video.
Hello students.
Alright colleagues, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you've found it very useful. See you in the next video. Bye.